What's good, YouTube? Oh, what? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rick, and we back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button for me for the one time, not twice. If you hit it twice, don't go away. Hit it for the third time, it'll stay. Alright. I know y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail. We about to get a mid-muffler delete in the 2021 Redeye Charger. This mod right here is long overdue. I've been meaning to get it. I just sometimes, I get home from training, I just want to stay home. But we finna go ahead and get this done today. I called around, found the shop, and they gonna get it done. He said, bring it in. So we about to take this car to him. Let me show you what it sounds like first. Sound like a baby, don't it? Sound like a baby, like I said. I don't know if you guys heard me back there, but I said, sound like a baby, don't it? Which it do. So, we're gonna get this mid-muffler delete. I know I had one on my my Daytona in the past, but I know this gonna be louder. My Daytona was loud. Like, I mean, when that mud crank up, that bit was like it'll probably like settle after a minute or two. Like, it was loud. So I know this car gonna be loud. I'm excited because I want my car to, I don't even know what I'm trying to say right now, guys. I just want my car to just spit at somebody, like that, like dang, make you jump out your seat. But we finna head out. We in the SRT. But we finna head out. So I'll catch y'all whenever I pick the camera back up. How loud you think it's gonna be?
Skyrocket. Like a roller coaster.
Like you think, like, as soon as they turn it on, after they, weld it together and shit, you think it's gonna be like mad loud?
I think that shit gonna be like Godzilla.
I said Godzilla.
Godzilla. Alright, watch. You gonna see it. You gonna see it. Y'all gonna hear that start? But he got put the before and after. That's important.
Nah, I'm gonna do that. I'm oh, you know what?
Yeah, that's what I said. You gotta do that.
I did do it. But I'll do it again, though. I cut it out and then put it
again,
right before, before and then after. So yeah,
it's gonna be
I like that truck right there. That bit nice. Bro, it look so good just sitting up there.
Right. You can still see the wide body.
Right. So we getting the mids cut out. Those two right there. I know. Nah, it's oil. Now that I think about it, it might be an oil spot on my driveway now. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show them this.
The only thing is I may not be able to tackle whatever. If it's like a big job, a big oil leak, I may not be able to tackle it that day. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Oh yeah, that's gonna be loud. It looks good. Thank you. 1 out of 10. How loud? I know I asked you this earlier, but like
10. I think it's been 10.
He said Ben 10. I'm thinking 14.
I think it's a Ben 10.
Yeah, we gonna see. But when they take the car down, actually they might take it down right now. Oh, here it go. Now watch when it lands and the tire just.
I know that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. I want to see how it settles. Like how.
Hey, should I record it on Instagram or not? Nah.
The camera good. The camera got good.
Nah, but I'm saying for Instagram though. Like
Yeah, go ahead then. What's he doing then?
I don't know.
That lie?
Look how it just, ooh. Hey man, say man. I'm ready to hear that.
Press live or you better do it?
Nah, you just record it. You hold it down. Yeah. Ooh. Come on now, bring that bitch up. Bring that bitch up. Don't hit my door now. Don't hit my door. I'm recording your ass, boy. Don't hit my door, boy. You better squeeze your little ass in there, boy. Ooh, that bitch sound good as a bitch. That motherfucker's nasty. Alright, y'all, so we back in the car. I have to pay and stuff, but let's see if we hear a difference. Oh yeah, it's a little bit loud now. A little bit loud now. Nigga said,
This sounds worse.
Now it sounds like an actual Hellcat now. Yeah, we're gonna need the window down. Yeah, hold it. Damn, I don't wanna scrape my front, bro. This damn car need to come on. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Man, I ain't gonna cat. You seen that TikTok where they be like, that's how you sound. I ain't gonna cat. That bitch nasty, bro. Oh my god. Oh, you know what I forgot to do?
Damn! That bitch fart. Yeah. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that old Dodge.
This bitch nasty. Nigga, don't look at me. You trash as fuck. I ain't gonna shit.
Nigga said. No, don't look at me. This shit's fucking low. Oh my god.
Bro, I can't wait for the downshift. That bitch.
Man, traffic getting real way.
For real.
Breakfast wait.
I gotta get over. I forgot we gotta take that check over there. I was low-key ready to go to the other dealerships.
How about that, dude?
Alright guys, we gotta run a quick errand for my boy real quick.
The man's in this.
But when we get straightaways, you already know what to expect. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna cut this video out just yet. I mean, I'm not gonna cut the video off just yet. But stay tuned for the exhaust. Boy, if you don't get So y'all know how a car pops, right? If y'all ever fold clothes, think about a pillowcase. You know how a pillowcase, you flop that bit? Like you flop it to make it straight, that be like, that's how it sounds when, watch. I know y'all heard that. Think about that, a pillowcase. You flop that bit, that be like something like that. Y'all know what the noise I'm trying to make, but that's how it sounded. I had this thought that popped in my head. I had to share it with y'all because I know some of y'all will relate. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna enjoy the sound and then. Oh my god! This is a new Redeye. Oh my god, that bitch said, I ain't even hit the gas. I was just letting it roll. That bitch said, I thought I can. Alright, what's good, y'all? Today's the next day. I'm actually about to go out and run a couple errands, but I wanted to throw this clip into the video. It's a cold start of the Redeye since I got the exhaust done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys right now. Let me just grab my keys out of my pocket real quick. Let me see. Alright, let me see. Cause I'm trying to record on my phone and my camera at the same time, so we about to see if it's gonna work.